Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this guide, I will show you the convert function of Afristsoft PDF. In Convert feature, you can convert PDF to Word, Excel, PPT image, and many other formats. After selecting the format you want to convert, you can customize the conversion page range, and it supports batch conversion operation. After the settings are completed, click Convert. After the conversion is finished, the output folder will pop up automatically. Here is the converted file. Open the file to check that the page content is displayed normally. In Create PDF option, you can also convert other formats to PDF documents for viewing. Select the file you need to convert from the folder. Then you can see the file content. Well, this is the complete introduction of Convert feature in Afristsoft PDF. If you are interested in this tool, you can visit Afristsoft official website to get it. If you think this video is okay, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video.